Okay, I've got an old door. We took the hinges off on one side and we put some overlays on the other side. And now we've got this old cabinet. Now if you look straight on, you know, it's fine, but if you come over here to the side, you can see that gap in between the cabinet and the door itself. Oh, I'm not sure what all you're looking for, but that's about the best I can do. Okay, the first time I put it on, it had this bevel cut on the back, and you could just barely see through there. Now let's see if this won't cover up most of that gap. Well, you really can't see through to the inside of the cabinet. Well, I mean, this is over just about as far as it can go too. But yeah, it does cover up the edge. I'm kind of surprised. I've never have tried that before. But if that's what you want to do, use these overlay hinges for that. By golly, they seem like they're going to work. Because you can't see in. You can't do a double one where, you know, one's facing this way and one's facing that way. But by golly, there you go.